And if the bus want pass it to us, watch it, and the bus a big vehicle.
The bus there, that's it.
Walk which far, brother? The pressure will come down there, so you push your way. Yo, the man trying to drive, watch it. That shut down, push up them now. Blow it.
Company vehicle, man, I pay money and all that.
And if the bus want pass it to us, watch it, and the bus a big.
This is the water coming from Shooters Hill, and this is not a river in dry times, but this is what it is in rain. So there's a JUTC bus coming now, just to give you a judgment of where the water is at. Look at the front of the bus. So the land has finally given way and it's getting worse. That hill, this is by 7 miles going towards 8 miles in Bull Bay, and trust me, the hill has given way, and this is now the road and everything is going into the sea.